What is going on, everybody? Today I have another unboxing for you. This is the Truefree F2 open ear headphones. Now, these are very budget friendly compared to what you would get at, let's say, Best Buy, where they could charge up to $200, $300 for open ear headphones. Anyway, this is in a wrapping of sorts, so I'm going to have to pull out my good old trusty pocket knife here. Right there, boom. Pocket knife is out. Close that. Now, the way you have to unbox this is that you would have to flip it over. But before I do that, let me real quickly go over some of the specs here real quick. So we're looking at a memory wire neckband that is secure for sports. So basically you could work out with these and they shouldn't fall off. They're an open ear design, obviously. Monitor the surroundings at any time. So basically you will be able to hear the outside world. It's going to be interesting to see how that will work in the gym. And of course, you also have dual noise cancellation, enhancing the call experience. So I'm going to be very interested to test that out. And of course, right here, you get 16.2 millimeter ultra large driver unit together with the bass boost algorithm, making the bass much more powerful. So I'm expecting big things out of this. This is 40 bucks on Amazon. And let's look at the front real quick. Right there, you could see all the same things that I just read from the back. So now it's time to unbox these. I'll just flip this over. We'll slice down here. Boom. Boom. These are Bluetooth earbuds, by the way. Really easy unboxing. By the way, these were sent to me free from Truefree, so I want to disclose that real quick. And right there, I don't think I need this pocket knife anymore, but I have it here just in case. Now we'll flip this over. And shake, 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 shake. Right there, take off some more of that wrapping. Well, just toss it. All right, let's see here. Wow, this feels very loose. I mean, the unboxing experience, like, it seems easy, but now once you get to this part, all right, here we go. Very slow. Oh, okay. All right, so right here, you're met with this. You could search up Truefree. So apparently I'm going to have to download the app. We'll just put that there. I don't need this anymore. So right here you could see you got your open ear headphones right here, and you could see they clip right around your ear. So basically this part will go around the top of your ear. And right here, you got the speakers here. And of course, you got your volume rocker, you got your play, you got, again, another volume button. So apparently the volume buttons are separated. So I'll just put these down. Let's unwrap this micro or USB type A to USB-C cable. Boom, plug that, file that to the side. Right there. Is there anything else? It feels like there's something else in here. Ah, yes, just instructions. Just an instruction manual. So now I'm going to walk you through the process of setting it up. Okay, so here I have the Truefree app already installed, so I'm just gonna open it. We're gonna agree, and apparently I have to sign up for an account. Okay, so right here, it's gonna walk you through a tutorial. So I'm just gonna press start the experience because I'm already doing that. And I'm gonna press connection. We're gonna allow. And now it's gonna look for the device, which I don't have it turned on. All right, so basically what I have to do first is I have to turn them on. So hold that for 3 seconds. 1. All right, so power on. Now I'm just gonna come into my phone. I'm gonna go to pairing here, and now we're gonna look for it. That's all the other stuff that I have. And of course I'm gonna look under available devices, and I'm gonna press Truefree F2, and now it's gonna pair. And of course right there, we're gonna pair it, and now it's connected. And of course the volume will adjust automatically on my phone. And so now here it's gonna scan inside the app, and it's gonna show me all the customizations that I can do. So I could turn on dual device connectivity, meaning that I could connect it to not just my Galaxy S24 Ultra, but to whatever other device I want to connect it to. I could turn on gaming mode, which I'm not going to do. Of course, I can have a preset right here. You could see you could customize, you can have adaptive as well, but I'm not going to set that up just yet. I'm just showing, whoa, okay. All right, so here's all the presets right here. I could set it to rock. I like rock music. It's my favorite genre. We'll go back. And of course, right here, you can go straight into customize and adaptive from here. So customize, see, takes you right to customize, which is where we were before. And of course, here's the settings. Now this is the product name. You can see all that right there. I have the language set to English, obviously. And that's it as far as the setup goes. All right, so here's my early impressions. The button layout's very interesting to me because so you could press the volume up button and it'll skip forward, and press the volume down button and that'll go back. You press and hold those buttons if you want to switch tracks. Of course, the play pause button is right there. So that's very interesting to me how they decided to implement that. Of course, the volume rockers will do what volume rockers do, and that's turn the volume down with a single tap for the volume down. That's if you want to turn it down. And of course, single tap for volume up if you want to turn the volume up. But yeah, these do fit around my head, kind of like this. So you put the earbuds right there, and of course you could see this is how they fit. So right there, you take out the earbud there, and of course I could still hear the outside world. It's not really that well with noise cancellation as far as listening to media goes, but of course the noise cancellation comes in when you're taking calls and when you're on the phone. So anyway, that's my early impression. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. So comment down below what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you like, what you don't like. You could comment pizza if you want to. I don't know. Just comment whatever you want. It helps the channel. Just say some funny stuff. I don't know. Entertain me, comment section. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.